guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Parker's talking a little. I'm sorry if he gets noisy. I'll try to keep him quiet, but he's here with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share and leave me a comment below. The past 2 times I have stopped by Dollar Tree, I have found some of the prettiest fall florals, so I just had to make a fall lantern swag for you. You'll have to let me know if your Dollar Tree has started putting out fall decorations or not. So far, all that mine has put out is fall floral picks. So you're going to need 1 of the maple leaf picks. You're going to need 3, actually just 2 of these little bouquets. I did have 3, but I thought it was going to be a little too full, so I only used 2. You will need 1 of the pumpkin filler. You're going to need 2 of these. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce the name of it. You're going to need 1 bittersweet, and then there's the second one that starts with a V that I'm not sure how to say it. And then I did ended up adding 2 more picks, which you'll see in just a second. And this is the ribbon that I'm going to be using, and this leopard print ribbon came from a local boutique, but I think Craft Outlet, if you get online, I think they have it, or maybe Amazon. So if you find it, let me know. And then that's some ribbon left over from last year that I picked up at the end of the season at Michael's. You will also need some zip ties and some floral wire to make your lantern swag. In my lanterns, I like to use a LED battery powered candle with a timer, and I like to set my candle on a candlestick. And this lantern I've had for probably, I don't know, 3, 4, maybe even 5 years. I picked it up at TJ Maxx for around $20. And then here's the other 2 floral picks I use. That one is from Dollar Tree, and then this one actually came from Walmart for 98 cents. And I thought it was so cute. It is about to storm here, so I think that's why Parker's whining a little bit. The clouds are really dark, and it's kind of thundering and lightning in the distance. And then this is optional to put around the bottom of your candlestick and your lantern. It's just some things I got on clearance last year at Hobby Lobby, and it looks really pretty around the candlestick at the bottom. To make your lantern swag, I like to start with the longer, the taller picks first. Place 1 on the right, 1 on the left, overlapping the stems in the center. Same steps, 1 on the right, 1 on the left, overlapping the stems in the center. Now, if you've seen me make swags before, you know that what I put on the left, I try to put on the right. This time I did it different because I wanted the top of the lantern to look lighter and, I don't know, maybe like more dainty than I did the bottom. I wanted the bottom to have a fuller look. I hope that makes sense. Lantern swags are very easy to make and inexpensive, and you can make these for any season or holiday. I try to keep my lantern dressed up, and it's so fun to do. Once you have your lantern swag the size you want, then you're going to want to take a zip tie and place that zip tie nice and tight around your flowers. Make sure you get it as tight as you can, and then trim off the extra part of the zip tie. After you have it secure, then you're going to want to go back and shape and fluff your flowers. As you can see here, the top part I picked out flowers that were smaller. The bottom part I picked out flowers that were larger, like the sunflowers. So this is how it looks. Now I'm ready to add a bow to the center. Sorry guys if you can hear something. It is pouring down rain here right now. So sorry, I'll try to talk louder, but here I'm just making a bow. I thought this ribbon had wire in it, but it does not, so of course my loops are just flopping, but that's okay because I kind of like the rustic burlap look it has. So I went ahead and made a double bow with it, let out a tail, and then I took some of the leopard print ribbon that I had left over and I added it right on top. Dollar Tree usually has pretty fall ribbon in. It's just a little early still, so that at my store they don't have ribbon yet, but you can use Dollar Tree ribbon and it will be beautiful. So you can use whatever kind of ribbon you have. You don't have to make a huge bow for your lantern swag. I did make this a double bow, but I was running out of ribbon, so my last 2 loops are a little bit smaller than the first 2, but I just let out a tail, and then you'll want some floral wire to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. On the ends of your bow, don't forget to either do a knife cut, cut it aslant, or dovetail the ends, and then make sure you go back and fluff the loops on your bow. Now the wire that you have on your bow is the wire you're going to wrap around your flowers, your little swag, and go the back and give it a few twists. Now don't cut those wires off because you're going to use those same wires to attach your fall lantern swag right onto your lantern. I have lots of bow tutorials on my channel, so if you don't like this one, let me know and I'll link another one for you. Also, if you have not seen my fall yardstick, door swag, centerpiece garland DIY that I posted about 4 days ago, I am going to link that one for you because this little lantern, fall lantern swag matches it perfect, so it'd go great together. So next you're just going to take your bow, use the wires that's on your bow, wrap them nice and tight around your floral swag, then go to the back of the swag and give those wires a few twists and leave them long because you're going to leave those wires long so that you can easily attach it to your lantern. Then remember, go back and fluff your flowers and fluff the loops on your bow, and that's it, guys. And remember, you can make this for any season or holiday. So if you make one, I would love to see it. I am on Instagram at Keeping It Simple Crafts, so tag me in your pictures. I am also on Facebook at Keeping It Simple Crafts and also TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this so much, and I hope everyone's doing good and staying safe. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much.